In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a button take you to the bottom of the page on Wix. The first thing I want you to do is to head over to your Wix editor and find the button that you want to work with. In my case, it's going to be this go to bottom green button right here. So at the moment, if I click it, nothing really happens. So to change that, head over to your editor and select the button. So once your button is selected, a bunch of different options are going to be presented either to the bottom or at the top of the button, as it is in my case. From here, I want you to click on this button right here, which is the link button. Click on that and then choose this option right here, top to bottom of page, and then select the second option, which is bottom right here. Then click on done. And just like that, it is now saved. So if you go ahead and preview the website and we click on the button, let's see if it takes us to the bottom of the page. As you can see, just like that, it has taken us to the bottom of the page. And yeah, that's pretty much it. That's how to make a button take you to the bottom of a page on Wix. If you have any questions, please let me know down in the comments below, and I'll do my best to help you out.